Marikit, this is my husband, William.
Nice to meet you.
This is Marikit.
Hello po.
Ang ganda mo, Day, ha? Oh, dito ka lang. Mag-enjoy ka lang, okay?
Sige ho.
Enjoy the night.
Sige po. Bye-bye po. Enjoy.
Let's go to Mr.
Hello po.
Yamaguchi.
Hi. Marikit Karingal po. This is Marikit Karingal po. Opo. Sir.
Well, you can't do this to us, okay?
Alam niyo, sir, sumunod na lang po kayo para wala ng gulo.
Kahit anong mangyari, hindi kami aalis dito. Oh, what do you want? What do you want? How much do you want? I'll pay you. You don't know kung anong ginawa ko just to get here.
Huwag niyo na pong hintayin na ipa-escort namin kayo sa mga security.
Hindi nga kami aalis.
Pero-
ano nangyayari dito? Pabayaan mo na sila.
Pero, Sir Drew, mga gate crashers po sila.
Okay, pero ako na nagsasabi. They can stay, okay?
Sige po, sir. Sorry po.
Thank you. Thank you, man. Yeah. Thanks for the support. Yeah, for stepping in. Yeah.
Grabe. Hindi ko naman alam na powerful pala ang DJ dito.
Who said I was just a DJ?
What do you mean?
I'm Drew Jimenez. I own this place.
Ay, ate. Pwedeng makahingi ho.
Sige, sarap niya.
Salamat ah. Pwedeng dalawa na po. Sure, ma'am. Cheers myself. Cheers, cheers. Ay, perfect ka. Ay.
Are you alright, miss? Are you okay?
Oh my God!
What? Did you just...
Manluloko ka!
Are you crazy? You can't just...
Ang tagal kitang hinanap ha. Andito ka lang pala. Nakiki-birthday ka pa.